Hello and welcome to the Met Office forecast for the week ahead. A week in which schools are starting to break up in one or two places. The first week of July and following a June in which we lurched from one extreme to the next. Cool and wet, hot sunshine. Well, we've ended up somewhere in the middle for this week. A fine week of summer weather for most of us, albeit not for all, and certainly feeling cooler at first. The record-breaking heat wave that parts of Europe saw at the end of last week brushed aside as air comes in over the top of this area of high pressure. But because it's high pressure, now moving in over the next few days across the UK, it means we're not returning to the cool and unsettled weather of June. Far from it. There'll be plenty of fine weather around. That is apart from the north of Scotland, where weather fronts will right over the top of that area of high pressure brought in by the jet stream. Another part of the jet stream to the south of the UK by the end of the week is worth watching as well. But it's a cool start for many places. A chilly start in one or two spots on Tuesday, 3 or 4 degrees for parts of Wales. Soon warms up, plenty of fine weather out there, sunny spells, albeit with some cloud building. 1 or 2 showers for the north and northwest of Scotland. Otherwise it's dry, it's fine, it's pleasant enough. Temperatures not far from average. A bit more sunshine to come around the middle part of the week for southern parts of the UK as high pressure builds in. But further north, a weather front starts to arrive. Northern and northwest Scotland on Wednesday, a warm front, and this will bring thickening cloud and outbreaks of rain. Once that rain arrives in some places, Northwest Highlands for example, it will stick around for a while, Wednesday through to Thursday and start of Friday. But further afield, well, plenty of fine weather around, temperatures approaching the mid-20s as they rise day by day. Thursday's a warmer day still across England and Wales, plenty of sunshine around, a lot of decent summery weather. But for much of northern and western Scotland, thicker cloud and that rainfall just lingering, 40 to 60 millimetres potentially building up, perhaps more by the start of Friday. Now, by the end of the week, there are some uncertainties in terms of how warm it will get in the south. And that's because if we look back to Wednesday, the position of the jet stream further afield across the other side of the Atlantic. This area of low pressure moving out of Newfoundland will throw the jet stream north, and that will then pick up this area of low pressure moving through Iceland. And it's this area of low pressure that will increasingly dominate the north of the UK by Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, further south, another branch of the jet stream picks up some warm and humid air to the south of Britain. And it's the extent of that warm and humid air that is open to doubt by the end of the week. Certainly a warm and sunny day to come on Friday for much of England and Wales. But further north, as the low pressure moves through, increasingly blustery showers pushing in cooler air as well. Now this is a cold front, and you can see that it's pushing into northern parts of Britain on Friday, whilst this low here draws up some warm and humid air across southern parts of Britain. And this is the main cause for uncertainty as we start off the weekend. How much this cold front will clear its way southwards and how much this warm and humid air pushes up from the south to affect southern parts of Britain. But high pressure close by means that actually there'll be a lot of fine and dry weather through the weekend. So it can be summarised as fine with sunny spells for most of us through the weekend. The big question mark is how warm it will be in the south. Will it be high 20s or will it be low 20s, and how quickly it will cool off? We will, of course, keep you updated here at the Met Office, and you can find those updates via the Met Office social media channels. Bye-bye.